Hi guys! Ako si Sophia Bianca at ito ang aking unang vlog. At sa vlog na ito, ibabahagi ko sa inyo kung paano ko nakikita ang aking sarili bilang isang computer science professional.
As a future computer science professional, I see myself as someone who is willing to learn and adapt to the past changes in technology. I may not be perfect and I still have a lot to learn, but I carry with me the determination and dedication to improve every day. I believe that being a CS professional is not only about coding or building systems, but also about creating solutions that can truly help people. I know that the field of technology is not easy, but with perseverance and discipline, I am ready to continue and succeed. For me, being a CS professional means being open to change, willing to collaborate, and always striving to improve. I see myself working hard, exploring new ideas, and contributing meaningful knowledge to prepare myself for the future as a true professional.